Hi, my name's Brigden. I come from Milton Keynes in England. I first come over to Kreativ Dental in February for a consultation. After the consultation, I was then given a plan which they allowed me a few days to mull over. There was certain people within the practice who I could approach, like yourself, Tom, who went through the plan with me, explained everything to me, and then left me to decide myself. I wasn't put under any pressure. I then decided that I would go with the plan, so I then had to obviously go back to England, rebook through a person in Southampton called Ben, who was very helpful. He explained everything to me, what would happen when I got to Budapest. I'll be met at the airport as I was in February. I'll be taken to my hotel, then I would get an appointment card, and then from there I would make the appointment and then start the treatment, which lasted 5 days. My treatment consisted of, I had a sinus lift 2, because obviously I'd lost a lot of teeth and bones had to be rebuilt. I had 6 implants and extensive work for the crowns and stuff. I then had to wait 8 months for the implants to heal. Once that had happened, I got in touch with Ben again, who arranged for me and my appointments to come back in October. I came over for 17 days. I could have come over for a week, had 2 weeks at home and then 5 days, but what I wanted to do was my wife come over with me, is make it a little bit of a vacation as well, which I'd come over for the first week. I had a couple of appointments, then we had probably 10 days sightseeing Budapest, which I thoroughly recommend. It's a really nice place, very safe. I felt safe, I didn't feel threatened at all. We stayed in an apartment at not far from the Parliament building, so we had the palace, we had the whatever they called it, the lift thing that you go up. We'd done the boat trips on the Danube, went to some lovely restaurants, and it was really nice. And then obviously we then had to move out of the apartment because we only had it for a certain time, come back to the Amadeus, and then I started my treatment to have all my teeth fitted. That was completed today, which I'm very pleased about. Yeah, the reason I chose Kreativ Dental was I had a quote in England, but the quote I had with Kreativ Dental was actually 2/3 cheaper for the amount of work that I needed doing. I then obviously decided to go with them, and it's just the care you get when you come here, you know. You're treated with a bit of dignity. You know, I had a lot of work done and I never felt a thing. You know, there was no pain, and it was really, and you know, my wife had a little bit of work done, and she doesn't like going to the dentist, but she was fine as well, you know, and it was just a pleasure to come here. I know it sounds silly coming to a dentist, but it was a pleasure, and I honestly tell people, if they've got any reservations, just come over here, just for the consultation. You not put under any pressure, just come over, get your consultation, get it done, and then you can work it out from there. But believe me, it is worth it, as you can see.